Hi, my name's Barbara Semenuk. I'm president of Purcell Enterprises, a health and safety consulting firm. I've been in business for over 21 years, and I love to make a difference. I believe the key to effective use of technology is who your providers are that are providing the technology, because there's always a steep learning curve anytime you learn or want to use new technology. And running a company, I don't have a lot of time to learn things. Now I can delegate, but I appreciate a lot of customer support. And some of the technology I use is free, like Google Calendar, which I can share my calendar, my appointments with all my consultants and my staff. Others, such as Mobit, basically allow you to put text messages on cell phones, which can remind clients of your appointments and also attach documents. We're working on that. And it's good to have good customer support. Another thing I really like is a good website. And Microtech is the first provider in over 20 years that has provided analytics and has been helpful in analyzing my website and helping make it better. So I believe that it's very important to have a good provider. And if you don't have a good provider, you cannot use the technology to its fullest or even implement it. I think one of the things I'd like to be able to do is stay more in touch with my clients. I have a 3-year sales cycle, so to speak. An audit occurs every 3 years. I need to be more intimately in touch with my clients and top of mind, so when 3 years is up, they know who to use for a health and safety audit. And I believe in relationships, working with my clients as a team to reduce incidents and work on opportunities for improvement and implement strengths. Some of the technologies I really like to use to the fullest are analytics, safety software programs that I could help my clients become more effective and efficient in doing their work. There's a lot out there, but I haven't seen any that really whacks me on the side of the head and said, use this. I think one of the key is to really work in partnership with those who are providing technology. Try and be duly diligent, but often we're naive when we're faced with new technology. We don't know what to do, and often technology fails. I have to say that I spent an awful lot of money on websites. I've spent a lot on training in computer software programs, and a lot of them have gathered dust, much to my chagrin. But to be truly successful, you want a good provider, either Microtech or something simple like Google Calendar that you can use to enhance your business.